Hey, welcome back to AzureFunBytes. My name is Jay Gordon. Let's get into it.
Providing access to systems and applications can be difficult, but by utilizing a centralized directory integrated directly into Microsoft Azure, you can integrate your users into almost any platform. Building an application and want to ensure your users have a single login to use the developer tools to integrate your directory in the cloud right into the applications you are building. Create roles, groups, and users just like you would on your domain controller on your local network. Reduce the work of your HR team by providing them automated ways of creating new user accounts and getting them distributed to the various software as a service platforms you may be using. For instance, a new employee will need access to the Box Share or maybe to Office 365. Add the user to the group and let the appropriate roles be designated to them so our new employee can get started without a ton of user creation being done across a number of services.
Hi, I'm Pamela Schmidt. I'm one of the cloud advocates here at Microsoft. Did you know you can streamline Azure governance using Azure Active Directory? For example, when you're applying role-based access control roles to someone, instead of using a user account, you would use Azure Active Directory security groups. By applying or assigning the roles to a security group, you're basically streamlining the process of assigning that permission set within Active Directory rather than doing it straight through the portal.
Add the new employee's device with a bring your own device workflow, allowing your IT team to reduce the amount of device management they'll need to do manually. Use Azure Active Directory to delegate services to a contractor or a temporary employee.
All these features are part of providing you with a secure computing environment for your team and for the users. You can see more documentation in the links, or just get started by using Azure with $200 in free credit with the link below. Thanks.